Good morning everybody. I am vlogging today. Just another casual kind of day in my life vlog. It is Tuesday today. Why do I always vlog on Tuesdays? I don't know. But I feel like this is an old tradition standing. There is a lot I want to get done today. I need to write a blog post, take some photos for my Instagram. I would like to do some cleaning around the house, pick up some rat food, just little things like that. And then tonight is our first session of Dungeons and Dragons after the summer break, and we're welcoming a new player today and I'm really excited. We're gonna go visit my friend in Gouda for that. That's about the plan for today. Let's start with some breakfast. The ratties already have theirs. Hey, good morning. Hello. Alright, so let's get me something to eat as well.
Is in the air like a drum snare, buds are bursting, beautiful green. It's like a love scene with waves of flirting. Seasons change us. Maybe it's just me and mine, where thunder has had its way, when kindness is portrayed as blind and glitter to the rays. Oh, no need to beg pardon. Strong piano playing, wind chimes swaying.
I am looking to buy a fermentation pot because I want to start making my own sauerkraut and kimchi. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm looking for a good one, and I'm not sure whether I want to get a glass one like this or a ceramic one like that. I want to get a small one because it's only the two of us obviously, and I want to probably place it down in the storage unit because the temperature is more constant there. So I need something that will fit in there, but it can't be too small because then the fermentation process won't work. I'm really excited when I get this down to start making recipes, like fermentation recipes for you guys. I don't know if this is something that interests anyone. I find it fascinating and I think it will be lots of fun to make my own. Alright, I ordered the glass one. Sorry, the washing machine is going crazy back there. I ordered the glass one. I think that will be good because I'm just starting out, and that way I can see whether there's any mold growing on there or not. I'm really excited. It should arrive tomorrow, so fingers crossed. I'm really excited to get this started. Okay, until my laundry is done, I think I'm gonna head into the kitchen and do some meal prepping for my lunches for this week. I want to start making those salads again, so I'm gonna cook a batch of quinoa and marinate some tempeh, and then I'm gonna ask Robert to head out to the park with me and take some photos for Instagram.
I'm longing for summer nights down by the ocean, high emotion, legs covered in mosquito bites. Oh, seasons change us. Maybe it's just me and mine, where thunder has had its way, when kindness is portrayed as blind and glitter to the rays. Oh, no need to beg pardon. No need to beg pardon from me. Maybe it's just me and mine, where
That's lunch done. Now let's go out and take these photos.
Glitter to the rays. Oh, no need to beg pardon. Oh, no need to beg pardon. Oh, maybe it's just me and mine, where thunder has had its way. When kindness is portrayed as blind, add glitter to the rays. Oh, no need to beg pardon. Oh, no need to beg pardon from me.
Just sitting here typing up my blog post, and I was looking at my nails. I have not been able to grow my nails out this long since high school, I think. And it happened over the holiday, and they're actually not weak and brittle this time, which is incredible. For the longest time my nails would just peel off, like just the top layers would come off, and that's why I could only wear nail polish for like 1 or 2 days. Not because it would chip, but because it would literally peel off with like a little layer of nail. Sorry if this is really gross, but that kind of hasn't happened yet, and I'm a little bit scared, and I do suspect that it is because I just didn't get my hands wet as much these past few weeks, because I haven't been doing the dishes and laundry and cooking and all of these other wet things. Yeah, I have been back for less than a week now, and I do feel like they're already getting a little bit weaker. So I have applied a little bit of some strengthening polish to them again, and I hope I will be able to keep them longer for a little bit longer now, because I really like the look of longer nails. Anyways, I imported my photos that we took. They turned out pretty nice. I have a few, so I transferred those to my phone straight away and did my whole thingy with them. I still do the same thing that I showed in my kind of how I edit my Instagram photos video. Here they are, photos that we took today. So those will be coming to Instagram in the upcoming days. Yeah, let's see. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this blog post today. We have to leave in about an hour or so, I think, to go over to my friend's house for Dungeons and Dragons. So I think I might just do a little bit of cleaning now. I need to steam some clothes that came out of the washing. I wish this day was a little bit more interesting for you guys, sorry. I don't know why I thought we had an hour before we had to leave, because we have like 20 minutes. Alright, better start packing then. And let's head off to Gouda.
Inseparable, we were closer than two of a kind. The bond was almost palpable, solemn oaths with our blood that were signed. But time flies.
Hey guys, it is the next morning and I am here to end the vlog, as always, because I am just unable to function when the sun goes down. There was a massive disturbance in the train traffic yesterday night. I'm not even sure it is fixed by now, but there was no train traffic at all to and from Amsterdam. So if our friend wasn't there, we wouldn't have been able to make it home at all. But luckily he was able to take us the biggest part of the way by car, so that was fantastic. Yeah, we had a really good session last night. I'm really glad we're starting back up again. We're playing again next week and I'm really excited. So I guess that ends my vlog. I'm waiting for my fermentation pot to arrive today. Really excited about that, and you will see more of that later, I am absolutely sure. But for now, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. A little casual day in my life. I know it's not too exciting, but I do hope you found it entertaining enough to watch anyway. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description box below. Thank you so much. There's another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!